Hello everyone. In this video, we are solve this interesting math Olympiad question. This question is 1 over x square minus 1 over x plus 1 whole square is equal to 1, and what is the value of x in this math Olympiad question. So how to solve this question? So first of all, I multiply both sides x plus 1 whole square. This time I can see easily 1 over x square times x plus 1 whole square minus 1 over x plus 1 whole square times x plus 1 whole square is equal to this one times x plus 1 whole square. I multiply both sides x plus 1 whole square. Then I can say this value and this value cancel. So we'll find out here is this times this, it will be x plus 1 whole square over x square minus here is 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. Then this equation becomes, look, here is x plus 1 whole square over x square is equal to x plus 1 whole square. I just move on this minus 1 right side, where find out it will be positive 1. Here is minus, here is plus. Then I can see easily it will be, look, x plus 1 whole square, and here is x square, here is x plus 1 whole square plus 1. I subtract both sides. Look, here is x plus 1 whole square over x square minus 2 times x plus 1, and here is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 and minus 2 times x plus 1. I subtract both sides minus 2 times x plus 1. Here is 2 times x plus 1 and this is, then this equation becomes, look, in this case I can say x plus 1 is common, so I can say easily it will be x plus 1 times, and here is x plus 1 over, look, it will be x square and minus 2. Then in this case, look, I can see easily here is a plus b whole square, so it will be x square plus 2ab, b is 1 plus b square, and this 1 minus 2 times x, it will be twice x, and 2 times 1 it will be 2, and plus minus it will be minus. Then this equation becomes, look, I can say in this case here is x plus 1 times, and here is x plus 1 over x square minus 2, and in this case I can see easily here is twice x cancel, 1 plus 1 it will be 2 cancel, so we'll find out here is x square. Then this equation becomes, look, in this case we'll find out x plus 1 over x square minus 2 is equal to this x square and this x plus 1. Then at this moment, let, look, x plus 1 over x square is equal to u. Then I can see easily in this case x square over x plus 1, it will be 1 over u. Then if I put this value, this time I can say u minus 2 is equal to 1 over u. Then this equation becomes, I multiply both sides u, this time I can say it will be u square minus 2 times u, it will be 2u, and I can see it will be 1, u cancel. Then this equation becomes u square minus 2u minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. in this case I can say here is u is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. According to these rules, I can say here is u is equal to minus b is minus 2 plus minus square root b square, it will be minus 2 whole square, minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2a is 1. Then here is u is equal to minus minus, it will be plus 2 plus minus square root minus 2 whole square, so it will be 4, minus minus it will be plus, so minus minus it will be also plus, 4 times 1 it will be 4 over 2. Then I can see easily here is u is equal to 2 plus minus and square root 8, 4 plus 4 it will be 8. We know that square root 8 it will be 2 square root 2 over 2. Then I can see easily u is equal to this 2 plus 2, it will be 1 plus minus this divide this 2 cancel, it will be square root 2. So we'll find out u is equal to 1 plus square root 2 and 1 minus square root 2. Look, we'll find out u is equal to 1 plus square root 2 and again u is equal to 1 minus square root 2. Then remember that u is equal to x plus 1 over x square, so I can see easily u it will be x plus 1 over x square. Our need, what is the value of x? Then here is 1 plus square root 2. Then in this case I can see easily this time this, it will be 1 plus square root 2 times x square and is equal to, here is 1, so 1 times it will be x plus 1. Then this equation becomes, I can see easily it will be 1 plus square root 2 times, here is x square and it will be minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So in this case I can see easily here is x is equal to, look, minus b minus and b is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root b square. So here is b is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1 plus square root 2 and c is equal to minus 1 over 2a, a is 1 plus square root 2. Then in this case I can say here is x is equal to minus minus, it will be plus, so I can say 1 plus minus square root, look, it will be positive 1 because of that here is power is even number, and 1 here is minus and minus 1 it will be plus, and 4 times 1 it will be 4, and here is, look, plus 4 root 2 over 2 times 1 it will be 2 plus 2 square root 2. Then in this case I can say here is x is equal to 1 plus minus square root 1 plus 4 it will be 5 plus 4 square root 2 over 2 plus 2 square root 2. So this is our final answer. This is the value of x. This value is 1 plus minus square root down 5 plus 4 square root 2 over 2 plus 2 square root 2. But others case, here is u is equal to 1 minus square root 2. So we know that u is equal to x plus 1 over x square is equal to 1 minus square root 2. Then if I solve this question in this method again, so in this case we'll find out here is x is equal to, look, 1 plus minus square root down 5 minus 4 square root 2 over 2 minus 2 square root 2. So this is our final answer. This is the value of x2 and this is the value of x1.